Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonica for Piano Man. First, let's talk about holding your harmonica. Hold it gently but firmly, ensuring your hands form a chamber to amplify the sound. For this song, you'll need a standard C harmonica. Position it so the numbers on the top cover plate are facing upwards, ready for playing. This proper grip is crucial for both comfort and producing clear notes.
To build an effective landing page, several key elements are crucial. Start with a compelling headline that instantly communicates your value proposition. Follow this with clear, concise copy that highlights benefits, not just features. A prominent call to action button is essential, guiding visitors to their next step. Incorporate high-quality visuals to engage your audience and include trust signals, such as customer testimonials, to build confidence and encourage conversion. Designing for high conversion involves strategic choices. Prioritize page load speed. Even a 1-second delay can decrease conversions by 7%. With over 60% of web traffic from mobile devices, ensure your page is fully responsive. Always place your main call to action prominently, ideally above the fold. Employ a /B testing to continuously refine elements and maintain a clear visual hierarchy to effortlessly guide visitors toward your desired action, maximizing your page's effectiveness. Measuring and optimizing your landing page performance is vital for sustained success. Track key metrics such as conversion rate, which averages around 6% across industries, bounce rate, and time on page. Utilize tools like heat maps to understand user behavior and identify areas for improvement. Continuously /B test different elements, from headlines to calls to action, to find what resonates best. Personalize content for various audience segments and integrate with analytics platforms for deeper insights, ensuring your landing page always performs at its peak.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.